In today's fast-moving world of the internet, IoT brings human and machine closer than ever, unlocking endless possibilities. Need real-time equipment monitoring? Stay informed the moment something goes wrong. Introducing DK Sense, a complete plug-and-play, portable IoT solution for real-time monitoring, trending and analysis. Simply connect the signals, internet and power, and start accessing live data on your mobile or web browser within seconds. Instantly receive push notifications whenever an issue occurs. No delay, no downtime. Configure your own logic or let AI and machine learning take over to automate your operations. Machines across locations can now talk to each other, enabling true machine-to-machine automation. DK Sense fits industries like mining, food, pharma, power, water, health, farming, and more. Don't operate blindfolded. Get insights, predict failures, improve efficiency, and start making money with DK Sense.